Hello everyone, you guys welcome back to my channel. In today's class I'm going to show us how to make this trendy bubble uh, with a little bit touch of ashoke. So this is the fabric I'm going to use. So I'm just slanting the front a little bit, and this is probably 3 yards, making use of 3 yards of the Sankara fabric. So just slant your shoulder with about 2 inches. So now I measured 4 inches for the neckline. So this front 3 inches, that is this front part, because it's going to be like in form of kimono. So you're just going to cut straight down like that. The length of this kimono is around 40 inches. Depends on the desired length. It can be as long as you want it. So this 3 inches, just like I said, can be as wide as 4 or 5. This upper part can be as wide as 5 or 6, depends. So just to trim off this place, it's a it's a cut together with the sleeve, the shoulder together with the sleeve. I have 21 inches here, so I'm just going to attach a socket to that part. So now you are going to measure what you have here. I have 41 inches here. I have 41 inches there. So this is the ashoke that I'm using. Now this one is a bit wide, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to divide it into two. I'm going to divide it into two, then I use the both side. So on fold, this is 41 that I measured the other time. So this is going to be on the round sleeve. That's the edge of the, going to be at the edge of the boo. So this is it. Just like I said, you are going to fold into two, then we'll use it. You can as well use the old thing, but I think the wideness it might be a little bit too wide, or still depend on your choice. So this side is not going to pull off. This side is going to pull off. So this is where you are going to attach to the main fabric. That's where you are going to attach to the main fabric. So after when you join the shoulder, after joining the shoulder, you are just going to place, then you sew it about half of an inch all through. Yeah, something like this. You're just going to sew it about half an inch, then you sew it all through. You're going to do the same thing on both sides. You're going to do the same thing on both sides. So the material is not mixed. I have to mix it that way. So I have to mix the material that way. It's so simple. It's easy. Just your 3 yards cut into two, then you fold. So this is the back neck. Just come down with about 1 inch, then you connect it to the wideness of that front. You join your shoulder with half inch. So this is it after joining the shoulder. After joining the shoulder together, so now you're just going to place, just like I showed you earlier. You're just going to place, then you sew it all around. You do the same thing on this other side. So this is it. I have already joined it. I've already attached it to the edge of the kimono. So the same thing you're going to do on the other side, and you iron it very well. After that, you're going to iron it very well. So now the neckline, you're also going to do the same thing on the neckline. This is the neckline. You're going to fold into two. You fold into two, then you measure it round. Fold into two, you measure it round. So whatever you have there, you're also going to cut out the same thing on the ashoke. So this is it. The same way, just again to cut out. I can as well make this one a little bit wider instead of dividing into two exactly. So from these three, okay, this is what I have there, 47. After the round measurement, I have 47 there. So I can start to just cut from here, so that will make it a bit wider. I'll make it a bit wider instead of making it equal. So this is it. So now, in most cases, you can as well just fold like this and join, but I think it will be too heavy because this material is thick. This material is thick, so I think the making it single will be better, because in a situation where you're working with a lighter material and you decide to fold like that, it might bring some issues. So place like this, then you're going to sew it around the neck. So this is it. This is it. This is what it's going to look like. So you're going to fold this to make it look like a collar a bit. That is this front part. That's the round neck part. So I'm just going to fold it like this to make it look like this short collar. So that's that. You can see how beautiful it is. You can see the way it is. So this is the front part. So all you need to do now is you're going to just join the side and you hem this round. That's this down part. You're going to hem it. You're going to hem the down part. Then you're going to take the body measurement. So whichever way you are going to take the body measurement that is going to be easy for you, just follow that process. So in this case, I'm just going to fold into two like this. Then I want to make it 48 inches, so which is 12. So that is why I'm going to just iron it so that I will know what to sew. The line will be there for me to sew. Instead of marking with chalk, I'm just going to use iron to mark where I'm going to sew like this. As you can see, it's showing already. So now, so that is here. You're going to sew here. That's 24 inches, which is 48. So from the shoulder, you're going to measure 12 inches. 12 inches. That is for the armhole. So where the sleeve is going to come out from. Do the same thing on the other side. So now take to your machine from here, then you're going to sew. Meanwhile, you're not going to sew everything all through. So at the down part, you're also going to just leave about 10 inches. Just leave about 10 inches, probably 7 or 10. Yeah, 7 or 10, so that you have a slit around that side. It to enable the person walk freely. just the same way we do our normal bubu. You're going to just leave about 10 inches open at the down part. You sew it together, then you hem the down part. So this is it. Our kimono is ready. Our kimono is almost ready. So just check around the waistline. From shoulder measure to the waistline. I want to attach a belt from the inside. Make sure it's on your waistline. So just measure from the shoulder. So here I have 17 inches here. So you're going to mark. You do the same thing on the other side. Do the same thing on the other side. So you're going to mark. So you're going to attach your rope here there. So in case you want it tighter, you want to tighten it. You want to tie the rope. You want it to look fitted on the waistline. Then you make use of that. So this can be as wide as you want it. This your belt can be as wide as you want it. Then it can, I don't think it's necessarily have to be wide. So just at least just moderately okay. So you're going to sew. If you want it wider, then that means you are going to fold and turn. So after that, you are going to attach to that point. Then we're done. You're just going to attach. Then we are done. So this is it. You can see how simple, how easy it is. So this point, you are going to attach just a hook or maybe probably a button there on your waistline. So this is what it looks like. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to share and subscribe.